Hello everyone, welcome to the second class of our full stack development course. Today we will be focusing on the architecture of web development. Now what is web development architecture, right? Okay, see, I'm not going to show you a very theoretical concept here. So I'll talk very practically and seriously about this topic. So you guys are opening Facebook in a daily time, right? You'll be opening Facebook, Instagram, Google, Amazon, many such things, all these websites. What can you see? You can see that particular web page in front of your eyes, right? And that particular web page must be designed by some developers, correct? And then what happens? So suppose you have a Facebook and you have a username and password. When you are clicking on the login button, then what happens? Suddenly you get your profile page. How? Correct? That is question. How in nanoseconds my profile page comes in. When you click on login, a request goes to the server. Now what is this server? The servers are basically a piece of, you can say that it's kind of hardware which contains your important data, your necessary data. So your username and password is contained here in this server. So whatever your username and password you're giving here, this username and password will get matched. If it is matched, then the request goes to the database. What is this database? This database contains all your information. I hope you are enjoying this class. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you need additional resources related to this course, please DM me on Instagram. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon.